Question number 1 is a 10-point question. Ready, question. Solomon makes reference in Proverbs chapter 3, verse 4 to finding what in the sight?
Yellow, 1. Interruption.
God and man. Social common favor and good understanding.
That is correct. It's a 10-point question. Question number 2 is a 10-point question. It's a 2-part question. Ready, question. Which verse refers to a great people that cannot?
Red, 1. Interruption.
Count the cow. First Kings, chapter 3, verse 8. Count me.
That is incorrect, and this interrupted question will be read to the opposing team without interruption. It's a 2-part question worth 10 points. Ready, question. Which verse refers to a great people that cannot be what?
Yellow, 2.
1 Kings 3:8. Number of counts of multitude.
That is correct. Question number 3 is a 10-point question. It's a 2-part question. Ready, question. Proverbs chapter 4, verse 26 instructs to ponder what?
Yellow, 1. Interruption.
And let all their ways be what? Ponder the path of thy feet, and let all their ways be established.
That is incorrect, and this interrupted question will be read to the opposing team without interruption. It's a 2-part question worth 10 points. Ready, question. Proverbs chapter 4, verse 26 instructs to ponder what and let what be established.
Red, 3.
Ponder the path of thy feet, and let thy ways be established.
That is correct. Question number 4 is a 10-point question. Ready, question. According to the words of the Queen of Sheba, Solomon's wisdom and prosperity.
Yellow, 2. Interruption.
So what? The thing which I heard, I reformed and should.
That is correct. Question number 5 is a 10-point question. Ready, question. The stranger which doeth what is spoken of in verse.
Yellow, 1. Interruption.
Is spoken of in verse 16 of Proverbs chapter 2. The stranger which rideth with her horse, her referring to the strange woman.
That is correct. Question number 6 is a 10-point question. Ready, question. How hath the Lord founded the earth?
Yellow, 1.
By wisdom.
That is correct. Question number 7 is a 10-point question. It's a quotation question. Ready, question. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding are all mentioned in this.
Yellow, 1. Interruption.
In a single verse. In a single verse of Proverbs 52, quote this verse. For the Lord giveth wisdom, out of his mouth cometh knowledge and understanding.
That is correct. Question number 8 is a 10-point question. It's a 2-part question. Ready, question. Seeking understanding how and searching for understanding how is.
Yellow, 2. Interruption.
Is spoken of in verse 4 of Proverbs chapter 2. Thou seekest her silver and searchest for unexpected treasures.
That is correct. Question number 9 begins our 20-point questions. Ready, question. The first 2 verses of Proverbs chapter 2 refer to the possibility of
Red 1. Interruption.
That is incorrect, and this interrupted question will be reread to the opposing team without interruption. It's a 20-point question. Ready, question. The first 2 verses of Proverbs chapter 2 refer to the possibility of my son doing what?
Yellow 1.
My son, if thou receive my words and have my commandments with thee, so that thou come and hear not the wisdom and above thy heart to understanding.
That is correct. Question number 10 is a 20-point question. It's a quotation question. Ready, question. Quote verse 26 of Proverbs chapter 1.
Yellow 1.
I also will laugh at your calamity, I will mock when with your comment.
That is correct. Question number 11 is a 20-point question. It's a 4-part question. Ready, question. The same verse speaks of what entering into what, and
Yellow 2. Interruption.
And what means wisdom unto what? And wisdom entereth into thine heart, and knowledge is wisdom into thy soul.
that is correct. Question number 12 is a 20-point question. It's a 2-part cross-reference question. Ready, question. Wisdom's reproof is mentioned in how many verses of
Yellow 2. Interruption.
Proverbs chapter 1 and 1. 3. Proverbs 1:23. Proverbs 1:25. Proverbs 1:30.
That is correct. Question number 13 is a 20-point question. It's a 3-part question. Ready, question. Solomon in 1 Kings chapter 3, verse 6 speaks of the Lord showing what unto whom, why.
Red 1.
Thou showed unto thy servant David thy great mercy, according to walk before thee in truth and in righteousness and not his heart. With thee and thou hast kept from his great kindness, thou hast given him since and unstrung as his state.
That is correct. Question number 14 is a 20-point question. It's a 3-part question. Ready, question. As found in Proverbs chapter 2, verses 11 and 12, why shall discretion do what? And
Yellow 1. Interruption.
And why shall understanding keep thee? Discretion shall preserve thee, understanding shall keep thee, to deliver thee from the way of the evil one who men speaketh forward things, who leave the path of the brightness and walk in the ways of darkness.
Time.
that is incorrect. And this interrupted question will be reread to the opposing team without interruption. It's a 3-part question, worth 20 points. Ready, question. As found in Proverbs chapter 2, verses 11 and 12, why shall discretion do what and understanding do what?
Red 2.
Discretion shall serve thee, understanding shall keep thee. Deliver thee from the way of the evil man, from the man that speaketh forward things.
That is correct. Did you need some more? Question number 15 is a 20-point question. It's a two-part question. Ready? Question. Verses 20 and 21 of Proverbs chapter 1 make reference to wisdom honoring where?
Red 1. Interruption.
And wisdom being where? Wisdom cries without. She utters her voice in the streets. She cried in the chief place of concourse and opening the gates. In the city, she utters her words, saying,
That is incorrect, and this interrupted question will be reread to the opposing team without interruption. It's a two-part question worth 20 points. Ready? Question. Verses 20 and 21 of Proverbs chapter 1 make reference to wisdom uttering where and crying where?
Yellow 2.
Wisdom cried without, she uttered her voice in the streets. She cried in the chief place of concourse, in the openings of the gates. In the city, she uttered her words, saying, uttered in the streets, in the city, cried without, in the chief place of concourse.
That is correct. Question number 16 is a 20-point question. It's a quotation question. Ready? Question. In verses 5 and 6 of Proverbs chapter 4, quote the two statements made about wisdom.
Red 3.
Get wisdom, get understanding, forget it not, neither decline from the words of my mouth.
That is correct.
Time out.
Time out red. Time has been called. Question number 17 is a 20-point question. It's a two-part question. Ready? Question. Verses 31 and 32 of Proverbs chapter 3 instruct to not do what? Why?
Yellow 1.
Envy thou not the oppressor, and choose none of his ways. For the froward is abomination to the Lord, but his secret is with the righteous.
That is correct. Question number 20 is a 30-point question. It's a quotation question. Ready? Question. In verses 14, 15, and 16 of Proverbs chapter 3, quote what is said about wisdom.
Red 1.
The merchandise of it is better than the merchandise of silver, and the gain thereof than fine gold. She is more precious than rubies, and all the things thou canst desire are not to be compared unto her. Length of days is in her right hand, and in her left hand which is in honor.
That is correct. And this quiz is closed. Let's give a hand.